Aprang si nili keceng si nili kiroben si ceng nang kok athebi potma nili phan CM Dr. Tuliram Rong Hangsar alangli kimatha dreams dak Karbi Cultural Society bikhe KCS aphan tapen Karbia jutang jubat alangli anso se ang song ang deng kipali ponje aphan kabor yelong alangli long nili kachirap dun long pot nili aprang si alangli phan si kiru pilo tapen ning thelo alangli nili phan kopi sini li phan nga pin khat ma la cultural anat ke pa develop je aphan taralang so long ke pa develop je aphan la kaddu ka ve alam alang li pisi pin khat ma ni la so teng klem pon ji phan bori pon po la pen la so phi ni li churung tung lo Ladakh Art and Culture Department asom stame nili phan la son chamber nanga son se pipen alang li tum dak nili phan taralang so long chamber nanga bibi pot department wala churulo la pen alang li CM sir special secretary music group han samene li churulo la pen duan team karbeng long atum han samene li churu pon la pen dak taralang solong isi kamathadam nili KCS Central Committee apana ke churu galalo KCS Central Committee long kopi PC kachirap du nangji asai ke duma nili tum art and culture department IEM do laso EM along chingwai dampa me kaben si EM ko PC kapin khajima EM ko PC nilitum phan nang pin khat pon ma nilitum dak pisi ground along lam kilong ma nilitum em phan department em phan chingwai dam po department em phan chingwai dam det pulote department em pen CM sir ko pima la tum chingwai teng pen itum a room long ko pia crisis to ma ko pisi ki pakeng ponai dolang ma ko pisi claim ponai dolang ma bangke asitina size tameneli em phan ta charge pon po lapen CM phan sta me chi concern pon po lapen dak KCS aphan chi concern pon po lapen dang nilitum art and culture team doan da official tumpen apen nilitum a better level an da KCS along ki kupisi asai si ki klem nai ma taralang solong ke pangthir pen chenglok ke pa development dak do ana humpurti do aso humpurti ki rai komje phan ko sonben si ke mejima lapen ang tanmen ke wang tum phan dak nang kilang tum do pik pik lo non ke kasila nang kilang num tum han stami ko son sini tum hospitality measurement ke pilun thegima lahai ka du ka ve alam nilitum department along mochingwai pon po lapen niliphan CM lapen EM atung ko pisi na pin khatma la so teng pen klembon pame pu pusi nili nangli to phan pachini pon
as a chairman the
first step bang nili mopen da chithan lo Ladakh kicheng si ke taralang solong ke pangthir ponje phan labang nili bori pon ponon prabjin pen Ladakh pinangan itum dasbin dolo lapen pangthir lo latum sitame asap sap dolang lanso se paklins ponje phan labang bori pon po lapen art and culture department along ko PPC asaiben si klempon me duima CM sir ko PC Ladakh project deng ponji do ma halabang ke deli mo apor hosi CM sir pima nang pin khat EM sir pima pin khat hala so teng pen klempon di phan bori pon
board chairman ang kom pen chamber ke chilong chekepan khupte nang di lapen art and culture development board sita me ke ching si ki chepa ko an ni arong ko PC
ningarong ke nili lasumben thando arnam phanda churulo sita non ki dobom Arnam Gereng punang ko CM sir Dr. Tuliram Rong Hangsar pansinili chorunang ko nili phan Ladakh board chairman Wangbong mane labang ke isi controversy phan kali isi dak culture along ke pachirap dun aphan lapen Ladakh duan asai ke claim pon kosom si upgrade jima hala so phan ke matha ponsi Ladakh kelang nangji ke claim pon nai do oposi nili phan Ladakh sai hembang nang pajir pon lo lasilage choruri unilo apen ninga klong pen lakhaun ipin se akero pipon lo Karbing Long Autonomous Council CM Dr. Tuliram Rong Hang lapen team Karbing Long lapen art and culture IEM Surjurong Phar Sarpans tani nili ningching dupan churupon
to witness our chairman of the art and culture department from the Karbing Long Autonomous Council. It's a very historic moment for the art and culture development board to have a chairman and to have his own office building as well as a chamber. All thanks goes to our honorable CM sir, Dr. Tuliram Rong. We would like all our tribes together. We would like to thank him for appointing Sri Laichan Engleng as the chairman for the Art and Culture Development Board. my previous speaker, our Honorable CM Sir's Special Secretary, Pro Sir, as well as our Karbi Cultural Society, Apex Body, Pro Sahab, as well as Topi Sahab, the General Secretary, Bay Sahab and Topi Sahab, and all the board chairmen of the Karbi Autonomous Council, and all my dear friends from different tribes, the leaders of the different tribes, and particularly Art and Culture Department, led by our Madam Kathi Katarbi Baidu, as well as Dilip Kathar Damaria, as well as his teammates. I give Karnam to every one of you. From my side, heartiest congratulations to our Engleng Sahab for taking the chair today. And we are having a hearty welcome as an inauguration of him taking the chair in his own chamber. Our previous speaker has said already, like how the office should function in a very proper manner, because the administrative control under this area would be dealt by our Engleng Sahab. So he has got a very big responsibilities, and he will have to discharge the work accordingly and in a very respective way. As per that, I believe that through his chairmanship, there will be lots of unemployment problem also that will be solved, because we know that the staff is limited at the moment. The other thing is that the emotional thing that as I said here, I was thinking about 10 years back. 10 বছৰ আগত আমি এটা চিন্তা কৰিছিলো যে কিবা এটা আমি কাৰ্বি আংলঙত যদি এটা মানে আমি চেঞ্জ আনিব পাৰো তেনে ভাল আছে নি ভাবি আমি হিল পিপল কালচাৰাল ফৰাম আমি অৰ্গানাইজ কৰিছিলো। এটো হৈছিলে on the 15th of December 2015। তো এটো আহি প্লাই আমি that was not actually just culture, but actually how to bring peace in Karbi Anglong through culture. Etu systemot ami ahi thakunte he became the chairman, and then the then general secretary was Amnoniti na ar logote amar dher asle ami ahi pelai etu our chairman of the Hill People Cultural Forum has become the chairman of the Art and Culture Development. So it is such a great moment for us that ami jak leader bonai pelai ami ahislu tekhet aji iman pothot aji ahi paise amar majot etu kane we are so grateful and very happy and feeling emotional that we are being success in this very project. So we wish you all the best on behalf of all the other tribes and leaders. We would like to wish you aru logote ami wish ko ami kobole bisarato apuni okole ase boli nabhabibo KCS ase CM sir আশীৰ্বাদ আছে আৰু আমিও যিমান জাতি জনগোষ্ঠী আছে আমি আপোনাৰ লোকৰ লগত আমি লাগি পেলাই আমি কাম কৰিবলৈ আমি হাজু হৈ আছো। সেইবোৰ উৎসাহ আপুনি আমাক দবাই নিদিব, কিন্তু আমাক কি বুলি কয় জেক মাৰি মাৰি আপোনাৰ আমাক কাম কৰাব লাগিব। So we want to see the Karbi Cultural Society and the KCS কি বুলি কয় the KYF Karbi People's Hall, this complex to be more developed. And then we would also like to be a part of it. And if there are any needs of our support, we are always there to support, because we want to see the Karbi People's Hall progress in the days to come. So this is our wish, that you will do your job well, and then we are always there at the back of you. Do not feel and itu backstep nolobo, into always take it in a very progressive way, so that our people, the Karbi people particularly living in Karbi Anglong, should progress in a very diplomatic and developing in a developed way. So nothing more to say. Thank you so much for this time. And once more, congratulations to you. Thank you.